Hi, my name is Victor from the Look Digital Signage team, I would like to introduce you our service. Basically, we offer an easy-to-use cloud-based solution to manage your screens remotely from any place of the world. Our CMS is very easy to use and very powerful. As you can see on this demonstration case, which we made just a few days ago, with the help of our tool, you can easily manage any screen remotely. You can divide your screen into multiple zones. You can broadcast any type of content directly to your TV from our cloud-based CMS. As you may see, we do have several possibilities to divide the screen and broadcast different content. For example, on the left side, you can see a CNN plugin, which we fully optimized with our CMS. Also, we do have more applications which you can deploy on your screen remotely and use it with any screen. We offer two options how to deploy our software on any screen. If it is a usual commercial screen like you just saw, we offer media players which we produce by ourselves. They're fully plug and play. You can see them here. They're fully plug and play. You just need to plug the media player to your screen, and after a few seconds, your screen will be transformed to a digital signage powered by our platform. If your screen is based on Android or Windows, you can just download directly on it our free application and use it without any additional hardware. Actually, any case, you can deploy any case on your screen, which is only limited to your fantasy. Because the tool is very easy, you can just integrate anything what you need, any interactive button or any web content directly to your screen and assign any type of the content to it. It is very friendly use for every customer. It's very powerful, and if you need more information, please visit our website, lookdigitalsignage.com. Thanks for your attention.